Let's start with note values. There are whole notes, which are 4 counts, half notes, which are 2, quarter, which are 1, and eighth, which are 1/2 count to start. This means a whole note can be broken down into 2 half notes. The 2 half notes can then be broken down into 2 quarter notes, and so on and so forth. Once you get into smaller values, each additional flag on the note divides the value by 2. Rests use an almost identical system. However, a whole rest, while being 4 counts in 4/4, lasts an entire measure in any other time signature. One way to remember the whole and half rests is to think of the whole rest as a literal hole in the ground below the center line of the staff. The half rest can be thought of as a hat with its brim being the center line. As for rests smaller than eighth rests, an additional head is added each time it divides. When a dot is added to a note, it adds 1/2 of the initial value. So a dotted quarter would be equal to the initial value, a quarter, plus half that value, an eighth. Alternatively, this can be thought of as 3 times the halved value, or 3/8 notes. Now you know the basics. Thanks for watching.